Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Start the recording. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Be one with the controller. Stop doing that, Ustream window. I'm like...
Turn on your
There.
Ustream.
What?
Turn on your Ustream.
I did.
Nom 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 nom.
Here, I just closed the chat window. You happy? You know, I can't see if anyone is having... I wish there were like the little tiny mini games that you could play on the dashboard. I would totally buy those. Like, they wouldn't interrupt the game that you're playing. You could just like, okay, there'd be like another tab on the dashboard and you could like play little crappy mini games. I'd buy it. Also, people that buy things for their avatar for internet things are retarded. Sorry.
By the way, I just want to tell you something. I have no idea how I got 2 Microsoft points. Mostly, you're like.
Okay, I got a salamander and a cat, but shut up. An
Like
Xbox,
when you
so.
buy something, you're it like always ends up in a 5 or a 0, but somehow I got a 2.
I'm not sure how you pulled that off. This is hacking. This is totally hacking.
Yep. This makes me want to play TF2. I dance. Cool. Michael Jackson.
You good? I'm chasing my tail. What do you think I'm doing?
Yeah. Oh my god, I have a video of little girls dancing.
You mean Chugga Conroy?
No, Blizzard Rules.
You mean Chugga Conroy?
Sure.
You mean Chugga Conroy?
Sure.
Ow, that hurt my face. The insane, dangerous methods I'm trying to do this with you, man. I don't.
The demo man did hammer time. Step 2.
My viewers 1 of 22. What the hell? Dicking dicks! The dicking dicks are you even dicking video game?
Yeah!
seriously, there's some crockery around here. 2:24 a.m. There's like some serious crockery. Cocks. Seriously, look at that. Look. I'm gonna try a different 360 controller.
Gosh.
Try a different 360 controller. Here we go, fresh blood. Fresh blood.
So they take me to prison, and I realize I'm 6'2", I'm blonde, I'm tan, I'm wearing white pants.
Not a very handsome man.
I'm a very pretty man, and I realize I'm a very pretty man. I like that video. That video is pretty funny. We're back.
I got here. Cupcake, come on, kitty, help me do this. Here, here's the 360 controller. Then you go over to your food, water, litter box area, and my head bashing.
I have Comet the kitty cat.
That's nice to know. Rip off.
No, he is the superhero. Oh, Firefly. Say, take me out.
What?
No, don't sniff the mic. Say meow.
Oh, you're talking to the thing with the thing.
Oh, God. Don't do a full-up comment. Save me. Okay, turn away. My cat tried to get up on top of my thing, and he almost, did a backflip. Oh, funny. Grenade eggs! God!
What's up? I can poop the normal eggs faster. I hate this game.